Hey, welcome to How's Channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to make chart bars wider in Excel 2019. Let's go. Open the Excel file you need. We are going to create a table with data for the chart. If you already have a chart ready, wait a moment. If you don't have a chart ready, select your table data and go to the Insert tab. Look for the Charts block. Click on the chart style you like. We choose 3D columns. Resize the chart if necessary. Right-click on the bar you want to make wider. Select Format Data Series from the list. Move the gap width pointer until you're satisfied with the result. Do the same for the gap depth. Click on the tiny cross at the top right corner when you finish. Easy. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!